Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best air conditioner window seals that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Yotache Window Air Conditioner Foam Tape. The Yotache Window Air Conditioner Foam Insulating Strip is made of premium open cell foam material that is environment-friendly, soft, and toxic-free. It is easy to use and can be placed on top of the unit and lower window to compress seal for the best insulation. With high resilience, it can quickly return to its original shape after compressing and guarantees long-term shock protection of your equipment. The package includes 2 PCs of 1 in X1 and X6.5 FT foam tape, total 13 feet long, which is adjustable and flexible to any shape. Moving on, at number 4, we have the LBG Products AC Foam Insulation Panels. LBG Products. Window air conditioner foam insulation panels are designed to fit most window units from 5,000 to 22,000 BTU and can be used as replacements or to cover broken original panels. These panels keep your house comfortable by sealing out dust, pollen, insects, heat, and drafts. They also help to insulate the gap between AC units and window frames, keeping out cold air in winter and hot air in summer, thus reducing heating and cooling costs. The foam material absorbs noise and vibrations, and the self-stick side channels come with a strong adhesive that leaves no residue. At number 3, we have the Breeze Stop Insulation Panels. The Breeze Stop panels are designed to enhance the efficiency of your window air conditioner. Made from 1-inch thick insulating foam covered in flexible vinyl, these panels effectively block unwanted hot air in the summer and cold air in the winter. They fit windows up to 36 inches wide and require simple cutting with scissors for a snug fit. The set includes 2 side panels with adhesive flaps that attach directly to your AC unit, along with a long top panel that connects everything seamlessly. This built-in design helps to reduce noise and light, creating a more comfortable indoor environment. At number 2, we have the Frost King AC41WA Weather Seal. The Frost King Weather Seal is designed to provide exceptional insulation for your air conditioning unit. It effectively blocks out sunlight, moisture, and extreme temperatures, ensuring a more comfortable environment in your home. By reducing outside noise and vibrations, this seal helps create a peaceful indoor atmosphere, allowing you to relax without distractions. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable choice for maintaining your air conditioner. With the Frost King Weather Seal, you can enjoy the benefits of a quieter, more energy-efficient space. And finally, at number 1, we have the ZENGSHI Life Museum Air Conditioner Insulation Panels. The ZENGSHI insulation panels are designed to improve your air conditioner's efficiency by sealing gaps between the unit and window frame. This helps prevent dust, pollen, and insects from entering your home while also blocking unwanted heat and airflow. The foam material minimizes noise and vibrations, creating a more comfortable environment. Installation is straightforward, making it easy for you to enjoy the benefits of reduced heating and cooling costs. Simply unpack, warm the panels with a hot air blower, and they're ready to use. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.